everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, isenzela fika usuku matric dance ka Abongwe. She was beautiful, she was on point in that suit guys. After so much struggles ukuthi athole a partner, her father Mseleku umenze something she'll never forget by organizing a BMW for her. Her brother Umpumelelo organized my bodyguards, and it was a beautiful and perfect day for Abongwe. If there is something we won't take away from Mseleku guys, is the love he have for his kids. Like guys, he will do anything to make them happy. The relationship he have with Abongwe, especially as his lesbian daughter, melted many people's hearts. The love and support he's showing is on another level guys. We wish her all the best as she approaches university life. Yeah guys, we just wish her all the best and yeah, aphumelele. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below guys and share your opinion. Bye.